Hey y'all, and welcome to another video. I am honestly about to go over to Food Lion to go ahead and get some groceries. This is apparently about to be another snowstorm for the second week in a row here in Virginia, but I really don't think that this one's gonna do too much like it did the other day to cause us to miss out on 3.5 days of school. So they gave us a 2-hour delay today, and they're giving us a 2-hour delay for tomorrow, but then the snow is supposed to come sometime tomorrow afternoon. It's been really chilly, and all I'm trying to do is have some good old hot meals up in this house that I can cook and have and eat. So I'm gonna go over and try to catch some of the BOGO deals. I'm gonna go and get some other things that we will need to eat on throughout the weekend. I've honestly stopped going to the grocery store every couple weeks. Like I was doing like every 2-3 weeks, making the food stretch, but I've just been going week by week because, you know, A, sometimes you eat out, and then of course B, sometimes you switch it up and you end up making something totally different because you don't have all of the ingredients. So drive with me as I get ready to go over to Food Lion to pick up groceries to last us for a couple of days. Alright, y'all know that I really don't like coming in the Food Line because I feel like you spend more, but when I do come to Food Line, I try to catch the BOGO deals. So here I go, off into Food Line. All right, y'all, I'm at home. Here's the haul. Let me show y'all real quick. I got the 12 count of extra white eggs. All right, so I got some beef little smokies. I'm gonna wrap those up in some bacon and brown sugar over the weekend. We got the BOGO deal of the Pillsbury toaster strudel. So this is the cream cheese and strawberry. This one is the strawberry, and then I also have just apple. So I got chicken patties. These were what, $6. Crinkle cut fries, garlic crabs, which are sweet blue crabs in a garlic butter sauce. It just steams in a couple minutes, or you can do it on the stove. A 12 count of vanilla cupcakes, and then I also have some stuffed non-grill ready clams. And then I got a thing of cinnamon rolls with original icing, the crescent rolls, and then I also picked up the jumbo butter biscuits, and I got some raw shrimp. This is the medium one. It's already easy peel, deveined with the tail on. And then I got the chopped broccoli. I picked up some Phillips crab ragoon. I'm just gonna go ahead and have this for dinner. So I have my oven heating up. I have some thin cut $5.24 steak. I like mine thin. And then I also got 3 Lunchables. These are the nachos with cheese dip and salsa, the chicken dunks, and then the pizza with pepperoni. Got the ballpark beef hot dogs, 2 of the turkey pot pies. The Charles likes turkey, I like chicken. 2 of the Vienna sausage. Y'all, these are like 90 cents now. I remember when these things used to be like 54 cents. The dollar deal is the Chef Boyardee mini ravioli, beef ravioli, the dollar lasagna, and then the dollar mini ravioli. I also got whole kernel corn and then sweet peas. I also picked up some breakfast sausage links. These have maple syrup in them. And then I got the Michelina's pizza snack rolls. These are pepperoni flavored. I bought these Impossible Burger patties as I wanted some plant-based burgers instead of like the normal. So these are 2. They are frozen. So I'm not going to cook these tonight. It does say cook from thawed for best. So I'll thaw these out tomorrow in the refrigerator. And then, yep, that's the motivation for my oven. I got the Michelina's 5 cheese ziti and then the fettuccine alfredo, and then I also got the 6 fillet of the beer batter fish fillets. These were $3.99. Got the bacon, regular sliced hardwood smoked, that is. And then I got the thin cut pork chops, the 60-second basmati rice, which is microwavable, ketchup. I got me a fast break, something sweet to eat tonight. 2 for $1, the little Utz honey barbecue flavored chips. I bought those for Scott to have for snack. And then creamy butter mashed potatoes, Swiss rolls, 2 of the Pringles. This one's barbecue and this one is salt and vinegar. 2 of the ramen. This is roasted chicken flavored. And then I have 1 Chunky Garden combination pasta sauce. And then I picked up the butter syrup. These are on the $1 items for today as well. The snack pack chocolate, that was $1, along with the tapioca one, the banana cream pie, and then the bottom one is the half and half, so half chocolate, half vanilla. I got 2 of the Tropicana refreshers. This is tropical punch, and this one is pineapple mango. I also did the BOGO buy 2 get 1 free on the top ramen. This is beef, chicken flavor is the orange one, and another beef. Got the Food Lion Deluxe macaroni and cheese, and then the BOGO deal for the Cheerios as well were a good deal this week. So it was the fruity Cheerios, the apple cinnamon Cheerios, and then the frosted Cheerios. And of course, I needed to get some milk as well as some hamburger buns, some white bread, and then the Thomas English muffins. So yep, that's everything that I got from Food Lion in order to feed me and my family for the next couple of days, especially to get through this snowstorm. So check you out in the next vlog. Alright, so I made some Phillips crab ragoon. Comes with the sweet chili sauce. Alright, so this was $11 at Food Lion. This is garlic crab. It's sweet blue crab in a garlic butter sauce. You can make it right in the microwave, right? So you can put it in the microwave on different times. Product will be hot. Cook times vary.